Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, we are still holding very strongly above that $2 trillion mark, and to be exact, we are currently sitting at $2.2 trillion. We are down 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but right now BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.6%. Looking at the overall markets, we are still seeing some red across the board over the last 24 hours. Please keep in mind, obviously we are still in the weekend, and you guys know we do tend to see most manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency markets during the weekend. So I do take price action on the weekends with a grain of salt, but yeah, we are seeing some mild red across the board. But today, guys, I want to look at none other than Solana. All right, so to the Solana community, welcome to my channel. I have covered Solana for quite a bit, but then I stopped covering it. But you guys know Solana has been on an absolute tear, and I've been getting requests left and right for me to cover Solana, and that's exactly what I'm bringing you guys right now. So as you guys can see, Solana is currently trading at 151.7 cents. It's down 7.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 5.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap for Solana is $45.16 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $3.6 billion. Current rank for Solana is 7th on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. If we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Solana is up 4,829%. One of the best performing crypto assets over the last 1 year alone. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the charts and looking at the prices for Solana. And just to show you guys can see for yourself, Solana has come a very long way. Just April 19th, I made a video on Solana, and you guys can see, let's go back a bit. Solana was only trading at that time, let's see, 30.44 cents, $30.44, and you guys can see it has come quite a bit ways since then. So what I would like to say is congrats to all the Solana holders, each and every one of you guys. You guys deserve the gains, and if you guys got back when Solana was $3 or even below that, now might not be the best. I mean now might not be the worst time to take profits, because if you are up that much, taking profits is smart in my opinion, because at the end of the day we are here to make money. So let's not get greedy and scale some out, but at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. So if we are looking at the charts for Solana, guys, you guys can see, if you guys were living under a rock, you guys may not know, but Solana was on the headlines everywhere, and it came very high, all the way up to $215. This bull rally that it had just over the past few months. So yeah, you guys can see we had a nice rally towards the upside, but since then, guys, since this top that we saw back on September 9th, just 10 days ago, we have seen Solana in a decline pattern. You guys can see we are declining, but you guys can see we went all the way down to this what's it called? We went all the way down to this support level at this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and we saw a bounce back since then. But right now, as you guys can see, this level of support is very crucial for the Solana price at this $1.50 mark. We are literally right above that right now. Me personally, I would like for Solana to stay above this level of support. You guys can see this is quite a significant level of support for the Solana's price, around this $1.50 mark. But if we break below that, guys, we could possibly start heading back down, to these levels that we just saw 2-3 days ago. So that would not be a total surprise to me at all. I have been reading tons of comments, and I want to come and clear this up for you guys, especially the newcomers coming into the markets. Because obviously, all of us, we want, a certain coin that we are invested in. Let's say we have done our due diligence and research, which I always tell you guys to do. Always do your own due diligence and research when investing into cryptocurrencies. Let's say you have done that. Now, if a coin has come up 5,000% in the last 1 year alone, and it has a retracement of about, let's measure it from the all-time highs to its current price. Let's say it has a retracement of roughly 29%, guys, after a 5,000 percent rally towards the upside. Absolutely normal, guys. This is absolutely normal. Nothing is going to go up straight forever. And even if Solana goes back down to these prices, I would not be surprised. Because at the end of the day, what you guys need to realize is that there are some big groups that bob back down at these levels, guys. Way below that, like at $33, even below that. I remember there were big whales. I did not know them personally, but you guys can go check the holder accounts, and there were some big players that were buying up Solana back then. So imagine the people that have bought Solana below $3, and they have the power whenever they want to decide, what, this is it, I am going to take some profits out. No matter who tells you, it's not, you cannot control that. If they have a big amount and they, sell that on the market, there is going to be some sort of negative effect on the price. And, that is very normal. People are going to take profits. And this is why it's very, very, very important for you to have an exit strategy in place, because nothing, I promise you guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever. So have an exit strategy in place where you can lock in some profits, so you can either buy back these dips, or you could use that money for your own personal use. So me personally, right now, I want Solana to hold above this level. If that's not the case, then we could possibly start heading below, back down to these levels. But I do see this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level play out as a nice strong level of support for the Solana price. We do need to keep in mind that Bitcoin, we cannot be ignoring the price of Bitcoin as of now. Bitcoin is still above this level of support at this $46,000 mark. That's exactly what we would like to see. As long as we stay above here, I think we are still in the upwards trajectory. But if we break below it, then 43,000 is definitely right there. That's a target that could possibly be achieved. And what's going to happen with the Solana price if that were to happen? Definitely we could possibly be seeing more downwards momentum occur then. But let's not forget, guys, please, let me remind you once again, let's not forget Solana has had a tremendous rally towards the upside. And this goes to show, strong projects like these, guys, yes, short term, please hear me out carefully. Short term, yes, you could have a beautiful rally towards the outside and have some sort of consolidation, which is very, very normal. But these strong projects that are revolutionary, that have a working product and that are unique, are going to be here to stay. And Solana by far easily is one of them. And I have been saying this for quite a while, on my channel. If we are going on to staking rewards, you do have an option to stake your Solana tokens as well. So let's say, you don't care at all what happens with the price action here and there. You are saying that, you are here for Solana for the long term, the next 5 to 10 years. Solana is a proof of stake consensus as well. So you could stake your Solana coins rather than just holding them and earning nothing on them. You could stake them and earn passive income off that. And something very interesting that I would like to bring out to you guys is that 76.19%, guys, let me repeat that again, 76.19% of Solana's total circulation supply, guys. Let me put that into perspective for you guys. So that means where is this overview? Let's go to overview. Okay, perfect. So where is it? Where's the circulation supply? There we go. So 296.98 million is the circulation supply for Solana. So that means that's how many coins are right now in circulation, and almost 80% of that, guys, almost 80% of that is being staked right now, so meaning it's off the exchanges. And this is why we are seeing Solana move super fast, because holders are holding and they're staking their Solana, and there's less coins on the exchanges to be purchased. So what happens? It's a basic economic rule of supply and demand. When there's massive demand and there's less supply, because there's roughly only 24 to 25% of the circulation supply on exchanges, what's going to happen? Price is going to go up even faster. Long-term perspective, guys, sky's the limit for a project like Solana. But short-term, after a 5,000 gain, guys, let's not forget, if we do see more downward momentum occur, it's very, very normal. But I do see this level of support at this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level at this $1.34 to play out very, very strongly, in my opinion, if Solana were to go down towards the downside. But the bullish thing for Solana would be is to break above this level of resistance. This is a very, very important level of resistance for the Solana price, as you guys can see, and that is around this $165 mark. Once we break above that, guys, then basically we're very, very close to all-time highs. We just need the buying pressure on our side, and I think we are off to the races. So in my opinion, the bull run is not even over, not even close to be over. And we are seeing the cryptocurrency markets and the cryptocurrency side of the spectrum of finance going into the mass adoption. People are starting to accept it, and this is why we're seeing so much interest building into real projects such as Solana, Cardano, VeChain, Ethereum. List goes on, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see Solana go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot and helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to continue bringing you guys Solana updates, news. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and stay safe out there, guys. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Thank you for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.